Sometimes it gets disturbing when a lot of persons say trading is difficult, and I answer to that statement that trading is all about a reflection of who you are and the knowledge that you've acquired. So for you to be profitable in the markets, all you need is the right knowledge, and I'm going to be giving you a skill, a knowledge, an understanding that is going to make you $50 to $100 on a daily basis. As you can see that I have a trade right here. You can see that I have to trade and they're over $100 already. It's over $100 already, and you will notice that I was able to come into the market right at the beginning of the trend. So I'll be giving you a strategy all for free that will help you to be able to spot a trend that is about to start and how to position yourself to come in right at the beginning of the trend, so that you can milk all the movement of the markets in the new trend direction. So if you've actually been struggling with trading and you have a problem making consistent profits, or you actually don't have a knowledge at all of how to trade, then this is the right tutorial for you. So all you need to do is just to click the link below and you'll get access to the free tutorial right that I've made for you. So just click the link and I'll see you inside. Take care.